Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Online IT Solutions. Today we are going to discuss a very major topic. Most of the developers have a confusion, most of the candidates have confusion that what is the difference between MSBI and Power BI that we are going to discuss today. Okay, MSBI versus Power BI. So guys, MSBI is a combination. So if I go to MSBI, okay, so MSBI is a combination of an ETL tool. Let me take a presentation pan. Guys, MSBI is a combination of ETL tool, analysis tool, and reporting tool. Okay, there are three sets. Okay, so it is a product of Microsoft. Okay, which have ETL capabilities. Okay, and it transforms the data, raw data, into inside basic business information. Okay, but there are three main components, guys. This is not only a ETL, not only a ETL. It includes analysis services, analytics services, integration services, which is ETL, and reporting services as well. Okay, so what is the main role of SSIS? To perform, to transform the data into structured manner. Okay, transform the data into structured manner. Okay, whatever data you have got from any of the source, Excel source, flat file source, OLEDB source, ODBC source, Azure, Oracle, anything, you can transform it and you can make it structured into desired format. Okay, after you dump the data into the tables, you need to analyze them. How you're going to analyze those tables, how you're going to analyze that data, you can do that with the help of SSCS, which is an OLAP service. Okay, OLAP, online analysis processing. Okay, so you can draw the data patterns, you can find out the data patterns and what are the analysis you have discovered from the data. Okay, data mining features, all these things are available in data SSAS. Okay, the next one is SSRS. SSRS is the reporting tool with limited capabilities, guys. It's not like a Power BI. It have got limited capabilities. You can create the report, you can deploy on the server, but you cannot deploy on the cloud. You can deploy on the server. Look, okay. So SSRS is basically have limitations which got overcome by Power BI. Okay, so you can prepare the visualizations, web interfaces, but these will be static visuals, not dynamic. Okay, but in case of Power BI, Power BI is basically a business intelligence tool again, but you can do ETL operation also, data preparation also, and interactive dashboards also, reporting also, kind of ETL operations also, all those things. There are three components, guys: desktop, service, and mobile. But the difference between MSBI and Power BI is MSBI is on premises, but Power BI is on the cloud as well. Okay, so this desktop you use, this is an on premises application. You can, this is a free application. Okay, you can download, install your desktop on your machine, and you can connect, modify, and you can do anything you want to do in the development purpose. Okay, you can create the reports, you can do everything. After creating the reports, you can publish it to the cloud. Okay, it's a cloud service, Power BI service. Okay, so you can share it with anyone, and you can do dashboard creation and everything. You can directly share it to your clients on the cloud. Okay, so it's on, not on premises, it's on the cloud as well. Okay, clear, guys? Power BI mobile, it is so handy, guys. Power BI mobile is a mobile application. Whenever you create any visuals, any dashboards, you want to see that in your mobile, or you want to share to the client, after sharing it to Power BI service, it goes to mobile application as well. So whatever you have shared with the client, they can log into Power BI mobile app with their registered email ID, and they can see all the reports which you have shared with them in shared with me folder under Power BI mobile app, and they can see that report in their mobile as well. Okay, you, why it is so necessary, guys? Company CEO, CIO, CTO, VP, directors, they don't have much time to connect to server and all those things. I mean, open a laptop, connect to server, frequent meetings are there. So they can directly, it's so handy, they can directly connect their mobile with Bluetooth to the projector, and they can directly showcase their reports, ongoing reports. They can show to the client on the go, right, what they are traveling and everything. So that's why they have made this Power BI mobile app, because it becomes so handy, and they can on the go, they can showcase the reports, and they can showcase the presentation. Clear, guys? Power BI is so powerful, guys, so useful, that it overcome the limitations of SSRS. Okay. Now, what are the main, to be concluded, what are the main differences? So, see, MSBI is a combination of ETL analysis and reporting. Okay, on server. But Power BI is a collection of BI tools where you can transform the data, but on the cloud. Okay, cloud, and visualize the data and create dashboards on the cloud. This is on-premises software I showed you. Okay, and this is on-premises and cloud as well. Okay, clear, guys? So it have got categorized. You can categorize the data in a detailed manner. But in this Power BI is a high-level visual representation. You can model the data. You can do ETL operation. Everything you can do it here. Okay. See, of course, there are pros and cons for every tool, guys. But at the end of the day, if you want to handle a very large data sets, you can do that with the help of Power BI very easily. But in Power BI, in MSBI easily. In Power BI, it is limited to 10. Okay, it is limited here, guys. You can see here, it is limited. If you want to have work on direct, very high data source, large data sources, large data sets, you have to use direct query. Okay, direct query method. I'm going to create one more video on this direct query modes, different modes of used in Power BI, guys. You can stay tuned in my channel. I will be updating some videos on that. So, guys, this MSBI requires prior knowledge on data, but Power BI don't have, because it have got AI capabilities. So, if I'm going to open Power BI, guys, you can see if I go to open Power BI, see, it is written Power BI provides AI features for non-technical users. Okay, so they can directly create the reports with the help of natural languages as well. Okay, natural language in the sense simple language they want to write, they can draw the visualizations over that as well. Okay, so let me open Power BI and let me show it to you. So, guys, this is the overall look and feel of Power BI latest version. Okay, this is Power BI desktop. Okay, so there are some features for AI, guys. You can see AI visuals. Okay, AI visuals. Now, if I don't know what visuals to take, what visuals to draw, so if I take a very small data set here, let me take a very small data set to show you the capability. So, guys, I have taken a data set which contains 4 columns: department, location, name, and salary. Now, if I'm going to go to AI, and I don't know which visual to create, I don't know. Okay, I don't have any idea which visual should I create. So simply what I can do, I can take this option. Okay, this option of Q&A, and I can directly write the name. For example, I want to showcase total salary. Okay, so I will put salary here. It will give me total salary. See, total salary came. Now I want to showcase salary by department. So I will write salary by department. It will create a visual bar chart. Okay, if I want to showcase salary by employee name, so I will put there employee name. Okay, if I want to showcase salary by department and name, so you can see here. Okay, so guys, the kind of combination of dimensions and measures what you will put here, they will build a whole, they will build a visuals according to it. Okay, it's the artificial intelligence. Okay, so I put department here. See, table came, name. See, table came. So it depends what you select here, what you type there. According to the type, it will detect the visual, perfect visuals according to it. Okay. So these capabilities, I mean, are here for those users which don't know what to create, how to create, and why to create. Okay. So you can just take these AI visuals and you can directly put the dimensions and measures name here, and you can get a visualizations of it. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe, press the bell icon, and share this video with your colleagues. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye. Thank you, guys.